Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can create a TikTok business account. So it's pretty simple. After you open TikTok, make sure you click on profile at the bottom right of your screen. From inside profile, you want to click on the three line at the top right of your screen, and from over here you want to choose settings and privacy. From inside settings and privacy, you want to click on account, the first option. Now from inside account, you can see the option called switch to business account. Click on switch to business account. Once you click on switch to business account, click on next at the bottom, and in your case it might show you switch to professional account, so keep that in mind. Click on next again, click on next, and choose what type of business you have. Once you do that, basically you can just click on where it says next, and basically your business account will be created. Now you can add your business email over here. If you don't, you can click on skip. Click on over here, maybe later if you want to create a video you can do it now, but just by doing that you will get access to TikTok business account. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.